Hey, Fitscope, welcome back. My name is Bryn. Thank you so much for joining me today for this 15-minute total upper body workout. We are only using a resistance band today, so go ahead and choose your band. I'm using a red, which is typically in the medium weight section. If you want to go lighter, go for yellow. Heavier is going to be those darker colors. Whatever resistance band you choose, just know you can always add a couple extra loops with your hands, and that gives you a nice stable grip so it won't slip out and can also up your resistance. So we have 7 different exercises today. We're doing 2 sets of them. We're just gonna burn out that total upper body. Go ahead and grab your band. Go 2 or 3 loops around to start. We're going to start in band push-ups. So go ahead and hop onto your mat. Your band may or may not slide up to your neck a little bit. That's all right. It should be right under your shoulder blades. Just go ahead and adjust that. Find that core position. Going into those push-ups. We're going 8 to 10 here. If you can do more, you go for more. If it's only less, say, you know your limits, you know where to start. Just go to where you can go and then see if maybe you can do 2 more from that point. Slow and control. Engage that core. Squeezing your glutes. Using your breath. Give me 1 more. Nice job. Bringing it right up. You're going to go ahead and step on that band with both feet. Feet about hip width apart. Give me a couple loops with that band on your hands. Bring your arms up to chest height. We're doing a standing core twist. So you're gonna go side, center, opposite side, back to center. That's 1. Going 8 to 10 of these. Lower those shoulders. You're gonna have the urge for them to start raising. Don't do it, Fitscope. Stay with it, 8 to 10. Use your breath. Engage that core, standing up nice and tall. Give me a couple more. Nice job. Dropping that band, shaking out those shoulders a little bit. All right, go ahead and bring the band onto one leg. So you're doing a cross body reach here. You're gonna put both ends of the band in one hand. Loop it a couple times to pull it a little bit tighter. Maybe give yourself a little tilt. Tighten it from there. Then from there, you're going to grab it, pulling, and push. Cross body reach, holding it right there. Slow and controlled. Giving me 8 to 10 of these, and you really want to go slow on these. All the way up, all the way back down. Don't have the urge to rush. Standing up nice and tall. And engage that core. Woo! Arms are shaking, Fitscope. Stay with me. Take a deep breath. Nice job. Now we'll switch over to the other side on the next one. Right now we're going into bicep curls, so put that band right under your feet going through the center. Feet are about hip width apart. Give me a couple loops on those bands. Slight bend in those knees. Bicep curls right here. Keep those shoulders low and back. Nice job, especially on the way down. Use that control. Don't let gravity just take you. And check in on that resistance. Do you need a lighter one, a heavier one? Do you want to add a couple loops to make it a little bit tighter? Check in, give your body what it needs. Remember, it's only 15 minutes, so we're getting it done here. Make it count. Last one. Great job. We're going into a side bend here, so go ahead and put your band under one of your feet. Give me a couple loops to make it nice and tight. You're gonna bend down away from the band. Slowly bring it back up. Bending down. Slowly back up. That opposite leg, hand, you can reach down your leg. Just like that. Squeezing your core here. Woo! And on that second set, we'll switch and do the other side. Give me a couple more. Nice job. Grabbing that band in both hands. Keep it under your back leg. Your back leg will be straight. Front leg has a slight bend in that knee. You're going shoulder press, also known as an overhead press. Start here. Elbows are slightly lower than your shoulders. Pressing it up. Slow and controlled back down. Give me 8 to 10 right here. I want those arms shaking. Woo! Upper body is gonna be feeling good tomorrow, baby. Stay with it. There we go. Deep breath. Give me a couple more. Nice job stepping onto that band. Keep those feet hip width apart. Give me an extra loop or two. You're going lateral raises. Palms are facing forward. Slow and controlled. Bringing it up out to your side. Slowly lowering it back down. I want you to try and shoot those arms up. Couple counts on the way down, nice and slow. Up. And slowing it down. There we go. Woo. 8 to 10 right here. Great job. Take a breath. I know you have the urge to kind of start bending with the movement and squatting with it. Don't do it. Just stand up nice and tall. Slight bend in those knees. Give me one more. Great job. That's the end of your first set. We're jumping into that second set. So back to that band push-up. Give me a couple loops. Wrap it so it's right under your shoulder blades. Drop into that push-up position. You've got 8 to 10 push-ups right here. Dropping it down, pulling it back up. Squeeze that core. Let's go 2 more. Woo! Last one. Great job. Stand it up. Back into that standing core twist. So stepping on that band. Loop those hands. Bring them up to chest height and twist. Center. Back to center again. 8 to 10 right here. Nice job. Wow, feels good to be done with those band push-ups though. Am I right or am I right, Fitscope? Stay with me. You have that cross body reach coming up next. Let's go 2 more here. Last one. Nice job. Putting that band under one foot. Grab it. You are pulling, pushing it all the way up. Slow and controlled here. Helps your balance if you're following it with your head the entire time. Giving me 8 to 10. Really squeeze your arms that entire time. Keep those shoulders low. Oh, there you go, right there. You got bicep curls coming up next. Let's go 2 more. No pain, no gain. We've got it in us. Last one. Woo! Bicep curls. Stepping back onto that band, both feet. Give me a couple loops with those arms. Slight bend in those knees. Roll those shoulders down and back. Curl it up. And I want you to shoot those arms up. Slowly bring it back down. You see that? My arms are shaking here. I hope yours are too. Hold it out. 8 to 10. and slow. You have this, Fitscope. Using your breath. Let's go 2 more. Got that side bend coming up next. And go ahead and switch it out. Give me a couple loops. That band is on one leg. You are reaching down, slowly coming back up. Don't let that resistance shoot you up quick. Keep it slow. Squeezing your obliques. Right here, squeezing in your sides. You have this. Reach down 2 inches more. Standing up nice and tall at the top. Let's go 3 more. Woo. Hold it. Oh, last one. Great. Back into that shoulder press or overhead press. Remember that band is on the back leg. 1 foot out in front with a slight bend. That back leg is straight. Pushing it up. Resist all the way down. Pushing it up. 8 to 10 right here. Keep your shoulders low. Push them back. You have it. Woo. Fitscope, you're so close. Hold it. Come on. Let's go a couple more. Last one. And going into those lateral raises, arms facing forward. Give me an extra loop on that band. Let's go. Roll those shoulders back. Bring it up right here. I want you to shoot it up, slow and controlled on the way back down. Great job, you have it. Take a breath. Keep those shoulders low. I know they want to hike up. Don't do it. Don't do it. Arms are shaking. Let's go, Fitscope. Come on. Woo. Stay with it. Let's go 2 more. And last one. Great job dropping that band. We've got a little bonus round for you here. I want you to go ahead and fold that band in half, grab each end, 1 loop around. And we're gonna do a little bow and arrow. Put one arm out to the side. You're gonna pull it across, back to your chest right here. You've got less than a minute. We're finishing out class right here. Bringing that arm back to the center of your chest. Nice job. Give me 3 more here. 3, 2, 1. Switch. Let's hit the other side right here. Pull it out. Back to the center of your chest. Pull it out. I know, resist that band. Don't let those arms get too close. Only bring it back to the center of your chest. All right, let's go 5 more. 4, 3, 2, 1. Nice job. Drop that band. Shake it out. Roll those shoulders back. Let's go ahead and pull one arm across. And roll those shoulders back. Switch arms. Lower that opposite shoulder. Bring it up. Hold it right there. Oh, wow, that's a good stretch. Switching those arms. Great job. Drop it down. Let's do one more deep inhale all the way up. Exhale it down. Remember to drink tons of water and continue your stretching when you hop off. My name is Bryn, and I'll see you here next time on Fitscope.